Good afternoon. Myself Dinesh from Fundamental Research. I'll be talking about the second quarter review of the bank's results. The second quarter results of banks were actually lower than our estimates. For our banking universe, the earnings grew by 14.4% YOY, which was actually lower than our estimate. Excluding SBI, the earnings growth was further lower to 9.4%. The lower growth in the lower than estimated growth in earnings was mainly due to disappointing performance by the public sector banks, whereas the private sector banks continue to post a strong performance. The earnings for private sector banks grew by about 27% YOY. In this quarter, the operational performance of banks also weakened. So far, the operational performance has been driving the bottom line, but in this quarter, the operating performance weakened as net interest income grew by 11.3%, again lower than our estimate. The NII growth of public sector banks was merely 7% YOY. While it was 25.7% for the private sector banks. In case of public sector banks, the margins declined steeply, which actually contributed to the lower than expected growth in the operating profit. As far as the asset quality is concerned, the asset quality disappointed for most public sector banks due to higher slippages in the quarter. Banks like Bank of India, Allahabad Bank, Punjab National Bank, etc. showed a sharp increase in the slippages, which actually pushed up the NPA ratios. The restructured assets also increased in this quarter, primarily, but it was lower than the earlier quarters. However, due to increase in NPAs, the provision expenses remained high, which actually impacted the bottom line growth of banks. The non-interest income growth in this quarter again remains subdued. It grew by 9.5% YOY. For public sector banks, the non-interest income growth was just 3.5%. The key reason for the sluggish growth in the non-interest income is the weak growth in fee income and decline in the forex income. Though treasury income was slightly better in this quarter. So going ahead, we believe that for banking sector, the challenges remain on asset quality and business growth front due to sharper than expected slowdown in the economy. We believe the private sector banks are likely to outperform the public sector banks and are likely to maintain decent earnings growth and asset quality. We therefore prefer mainly private sector banks such as ICICI Bank, which has shown strong operating performance and is available at reasonable valuations, and also Federal Bank, which trades at a very attractive valuation while the structural improvement in balance sheet is taking place. Within PSU banks, we recommend SBI, which is better than other PSU banks and is trading at a reasonable valuation. Thank you.